Hey guys, to receive crypto on Kraken, navigate to your account or Kraken wallet. Select the specific cryptocurrency and then find the transfer at the bottom left. You're going to see a pop-up window, deposit and withdraw. We're going to hit deposit, okay, or receive. But to generate your unique deposit address and QR code. And of course, now we're going to select that cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin, and we're going to select the network that we are dealing with. Right, and make sure it matches the other wallet network too. I'll say Lightning. Then I hit I understand and enter the amount on Bitcoin, and then hit generate request. Okay, and now you can copy or take a screenshot of the QR code. Okay, make sure it the network matches the sending platform, and share it with the sender to complete the transfer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.